Hey there! In this video today, I'm going to be showing you how to use the multi-site platform to build a website for your translator business. Multi-site is the easiest way to create a simple website for a small business. You can literally launch your own website in less than 1 minute. It's super affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So make sure you click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, and give it a go. See how well it works for you and your small business. Once you join the platform, the first thing it's going to ask you to do at the top is to search for your market. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with various side hustles. And we are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to head to the top quickly and I'm going to search for my market, Translator. There it is. Let's go ahead and select that template. Awesome. Multi-site needs a few basic details so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to go ahead and put in my company name as well as my city and my state's origin. It doesn't matter where in the world your translation business is located. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and change the type of business from restaurant to service. Click on continue. Awesome. Look at that. Super exciting. Multisite has literally generated a simple website for my translation business in not even a minute. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of multi-site is we've pre-written all the content for you. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality and they're completely free to use. Perhaps you've got some of your own images that you'd like to display on your website. Maybe make one or two amendments to that content that was pre written. You can do that. So, today, that's exactly what I'm going to be showing you in this tutorial. I'm going to be walking you through each section from the top to the bottom, giving you a little bit of a look and feel of how the platform works and how easy it is to use. Now, you don't need to know coding, you don't need to be a web developer, and you certainly don't need to hire a web professional either to help you with this. So, let's get cracking. I'm going to click on the first section at the top and go ahead and put in my company email address as well as my phone number. I want to make sure my email address is displayed on my website, so I'm going to go ahead and tick the box. Awesome. Go ahead and put in my phone number as well as my physical location, my street address. Awesome. The great thing about that physical location, when your customers click on it, it will automatically take them to Google Maps to get directions to your physical location. Let's head on over to update social links. Over here, you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as the bottom of your multi-site website so your customers can easily give you a follow, get some engagement going, see what your business is up to. Let's head on over to update logo. Now, if you don't have a logo yet, I recommend you check out canva.com. You'll find a few free great options on the website. Logo has been uploaded. I'm going to go ahead and click on this button, the little pencil, and slightly crop my logo so it fits better into the section. If you need to, you can add filters, decorate it, add frames, rotate it, zoom in if you wish. Awesome. Let's go ahead and re-upload the newly cropped logo. It's now been uploaded. Save. We can make it bigger and smaller, but that's perfectly fine. That actually looks even better. So I'm going to go ahead and leave it like that now. Awesome. Now with multi-sites as well, we pre-selected all the colors used throughout your website for you. Basically, we want to make it as easy as possible when it comes to launching a simple website for your translator business or agency. Go ahead and click on the paint bucket if you need to change it on the bottom right hand corner. No color coding necessary. That stands out really nicely, so I'm actually going to go ahead and select that one. I can change it at a later stage. Let's head on over to the next section and head to update image. Now go ahead and browse your device if you have your own images. Otherwise, search through the photo library, hundreds of images to choose from. They're all completely free to use. You can play around with the terms a little bit, the keywords you're searching for. So that one doesn't quite fit over there. Let's go ahead and reselect the section, the image selection. You can play around with the terms, as I said. So I'm going to go ahead and just try different terms to try find a suitable image. Let's try language, see what pops up. So I think there's lots of suitable images over here. I'm actually going to go ahead and just put this one for now. Let's check it out. That looks perfectly fine. It goes well with my pink color. Let's head on over to update contents. Now over here you can change the title, subtitle to suit your business needs. Button currently says contact us today, which I'm going to go ahead and leave. You can change it if you need to. Go ahead and click on choose a link. You can link to another website if necessary. You can link to another part of your website like the lead form at the bottom, which is a great way for your customers to reach out, which I'm going to get to in just a second. Otherwise, you can link to an action like click to call directions or click to email, which I'm going to link to for now. You can as well upload a PDF file with your different rates, services if you wish to. Over here again, pre-written content button can link to various places. Click on update section and work your magic. We've now made our way into the about us section over here. You can put a little bit more details of how your business came to be, how you got into the industry. Do you offer both written and verbal translation services? How do you provide a timely and efficient services to your customers? Do you use the latest technology and tools? Go ahead and put all the details over here about your pricing, etc. Customers would love to hear your story and how your business started and came to be. We've now made our way into the services section over here. You can put a little bit more details of different services your translating business or agency offers. Do you offer remote interpretation, legal translation, marketing translation, financial, document, medical, video translation? Go ahead and put all the details under the services section. We've now made our way into the lead form at the bottom. Over here, your customers can easily reach out to you with their queries. All they need to do is put in their details, click on send, and you will get notified via email that you have a new lead via this form. You'll also find all your leads over in the Mighty dashboard, which I'm going to take you to in just a second. Now, if you have a customer domain, go ahead and click on connect your domain. So I already have a domain and go through the various steps in linking it. There is a YouTube tutorial available, by the way, if you're struggling. If you don't have a new domain yet, maybe you've just recently started your business and you want one because you understand a custom domain makes your website, small business website, look way more professional. Go ahead and click on I want a new domain. You can purchase your domain via the Mighty Sites platform. Over here in your Mighty dashboard is where you'll find the leads from that form I've just shown you. I really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your translation business or agency. Really wishing you and your business mighty success. If you have any suggestions or any features you'd like to see in future on our platform, do comment below and let us know. If you have any questions or queries, we'd be happy to help.